soldiers, are you ready to protect our land?
The incident commander wish to know, sir, saan po tayo banda, sir? Sa 0910, sa enemy sighted, or wala pa tayo doon? Wala pa tayo sa enemy confirmation.
Main battle area natin, sir. While meron tayong main battle area dito sa naka-defensive position.
Ang lima, yung nga na siya. So, sa kaisa ragit mo maadto. Sir.
Thunder, this is Pagani. How do you copy my signal? Over.
I'm not gonna give up. I'm not gonna stop her.
On behalf of the Filipino people, we would like to thank the armed forces, the PNP, and all the uniformed personnel for standing up, for fighting for our country, for protecting us from harm, and for fighting in protection of our territorial integrity and our sovereignty. Maraming salamat to the men and women of the armed forces of the Philippines and to all our uniformed personnel. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtindig para ipaglaban ang ating pong soberenya.
One casualty clear for evacuation.
This initiative is more than a coordinated activity. It's a powerful demonstration of what can be achieved when institutions come together with a shared purpose to safeguard our people, protect our communities, and preserve the stability of our nation.
Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim. Turing ang iyong sariling tagahawin.
Kaya itong mga ganitong exercise ay nakakatulong no, una-una para ma-assess namin kung nasaan tayo. No? no, at this time, no, yung status ng preparedness ng armed forces, ng PNP and other agencies.
Mines at saka konsultina mines, Redoble, Rubistrap, yung ating kawagan dun sa Thailand Protected Line.
Interagency Territorial Defense exercise held today and participated in not just by our uniformed personnel but also by the civilian agencies is the first step towards ensuring that we are capable of protecting our maritime domain and airspace against external threats.
Nakita nako kung tayong lahat magkaisa, walay imposible. Successful yun ang tanan ng mga activities. Usan ni nga makatabang sa tungawan para makamove on, para sad makontrol ang mga illegal activities doon nga mo dumadaan sa tungawan.